Hello everyone. Thanks for taking the time to review our second half of 2025 release highlights. My name is Megashri. I'm a certified consultant in talent modules, performance and goal management, career development, succession. I'm a lead consultant currently at EX3 based out of Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur office. EX3 is a global SAP partner specialized in implementation and support customers with SuccessFactors modules. We are one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancies specialized in implementing and supporting various SuccessFactors modules across the globe. As part of the release management, I will be covering the highlights of Performance Goal Management module. In case you need to know about all the major and minor enhancements in Performance module or all the other related modules, kindly reach out to EX3 or your SAP account manager. So let's get into the discussion and start with the key highlights. So the business rules in performance management forms. We can create business rules and link them with the fields like text area or a comment box or a check field in the performance forms. So the use case is something like if a manager gives lowest rating 1 or the highest rating 5, we can make a text box or a comment box visible only in that condition. Maybe 2, 3 and 4 it stays hidden. So we can make the field visible as well as mandatory depending upon the rating, if it is lowest or the highest. So we can use these rules to populate additional fields not only in the goal section but also in the competencies, but also in the skill section and also in the development goals and also in the summary sections. So not only the text area and comments, we can use the business rule scenario also in such a way to add additional steps if necessary. So we can create the route map and hide the step. Design the rules in a way that they appear only when the conditions are met. Example, if the manager rates an employee 1, a new step appears in the route map where the metrics manager or the second level manager inputs are taken. So both these rules on the performance forms are very effective. They can be used in performance improvement plan, PIP, and even on the probation forms where extension, 3rd month extension, 6 months extensions are necessary. So using these two rules, performance forms can be used in a more efficient manner. So moving on to the next feature, users can now share their CPM activities across multiple channels. So earlier channels can be created and users could have one-on-one meeting, but now sharing of activities across channels is also possible. So the channel participants have the sharing option, so they can control whom they want to share, what is the target population they can share. So the shared activities are clearly marked and these are fully reportable in the news story reports as well. So they enable more transparency. So this allows all the stakeholders to view the progress and add inputs collaborative more effectively with the cross-module teams. So there are multiple enhancements which are done to the calibration page and the calibration sub-module, but the most important one is we can set a future date for all the calibrations sessions and set them to auto activate on those dates. So the calibration admin or the HR admin can schedule a job and he can prefix a date. So on that particular day, all the calibration sessions will automatically start giving the permissions to those owners. So this ensures timely execution of calibration activities, reduces admin workload, and also maintain consistency in the process timelines. So it's not like if tomorrow we have to plan calibration session for all 10 different divisions and then the 2 days later we have to plan it for another few divisions or departments. It can be all prefixed. We can do it and prefix the dates. There are a few more enhancements in the calibrations. The inactive employees or the contingent employees, they can be automatically removed from the calibration sessions. One employee participating in multiple sessions can have the common comment option. In the sense, if an employee is part of 2 or more calibration sessions, if the first owner gives a comment, the second and the third owner will be able to see those comments. So this gives continuity among all the calibrations. So whoever comments first, that will pass on to the next calibration session. So they need not do any new configurations. These are by default added with the latest release. Even the rating changes are also captured. If the employee's rating keeps on changing, 4 and 5, and again they have changed to 4, the track of it, who have changed at what time, is also captured within the calibrations page itself without using any ad hoc reports. And also the bin view, which is the most standard and influential view of the calibration page. There we are able to add few more extra fields like a division or a department or location. And also the box sizes can be configured, in the sense like if the most population is in 3 rating or 4 rating, we can keep them as a bigger size and save that, so that like whenever the session owner opens next time, that view stays. So these are all the list of minor enhancements which are done in the calibration page. And the next one and most important one is update, upload, and download XML templates in the managed templates. So SAP is planning to deprecate the feature of uploading XML goal plan and development plan using provisioning and provisioning logins. So SAP is strongly suggesting that everyone switch and start using the managed templates admin tool starting from 2H 2025, so that the business continuity is achieved. So for admins and also for the implementation consultants, implementation partners, this is a major time effective tool, so that all the changes, whenever the minor change is done, you need not get into the provisioning, login, get a authentic code and upload the XML. You can do it in the front end in the manage templates page itself. And this one, SAP has released the latest version or the latest UI version for all the performance forms. This has released in the last release itself. But now SAP has announced the deprecation and end of maintenance dates. The end of maintenance is going to be May 2026, and this version currently, whatever the version is there, it will be deprecated as from November 30, 2026. So all the clients and businesses should plan. So when they want to test the new features, when they want to understand it, if there is a need for change management, how do they want to train their admins or employees or managers, so that they can be on top of things. And it is better to plan according to your business cycles, in the sense like if you want to start your cycle in the month of January or February, when are you launching forms, based upon that you can take a call when you want to launch the latest UI of the performance forms. This is more like the rating section, summary section, comments, skills, gaps, all have a different view. Yeah, if you see, this is going to be the view of the latest performance page. It's more visually enhanced, and it can be said as a vertical approach for the UI. So these are the major highlights. I mean, there are minor other highlights also. So you can reach to EX3 for all the elaborated features list, so on and so forth. Thank you.